This is Canopy Coaster here in the New-for-2026 Quantum Accelerator here at Six Flags New England. This is the park's first launch coaster ever since they got rid of Black Widow, so really looking forward to seeing how this rounds out the lineup, because for the longest time this park's just needed a launch coaster, and this is a nice one. Good for families, good for thrill seekers, real crowd seekers, so about to get started on this ride. Not only does this have one launch, but actually it's two, so double the fun. And you gotta remember the falling with Goliath with this t-shirt. So here we go. These launches on these straddle coasters by Intamin are really good. And I love how windy this layout is. Here we go for launch two. Really feel the power there. A little lift on that hump. Some airtime there, which is rare for this type of ride. I actually love how windy this layout is. You can really, it's hard to memorize where you're going. That is Quantum Accelerator, the New-for-2026 roller coaster here at Six Flags New England. Definitely come check it out. Great for families, great for thrill seekers, all around a crowd pleaser.